Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm here with a haul. I'm gonna do the best I can because for some reason I lose sound sometimes on these videos. So I've got an order from scrapbook.com, and I did buy a couple of sheets of this photoplay paper because I just really liked it. And I want to make a little journal or a notebook with it, so I'm gonna be playing around with that when I get a chance. But you know, I don't have lots of time, but I do have ideas for this paper. I just really liked it, and so we'll see what I can make. Let's see, what else did I get? I got this plate. And so this is a plate from Pink Fresh Studio. It can foil or it can better press. I have both of these machines. I happen to have all the other pieces to this, the stamp, the stencil, the die. I got it in one of the virtual retreats that I did with Pink Fresh Studio, and then they came out with a plate. So I'm excited to have this and play around with this plate, see how it looks once it's foiled. And then some freebies. So I got this cutting die from Spellbinders. It does some stitching if I so choose. And I also got this Christmas tree. This was also a free gift. Let's see, what else? I don't know if I'm going to go to scrapbook.com, the rest of it. But there's a lot of free gifts. If you time it right, you can get a lot of free gifts. So I also got the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil for their machine in black. And then some more free gifts. So you see those two free gifts. I also got these other free gifts. I think I needed to spend 30. I can't remember. This actually came with some dies to make tags, and it came with a bunch of paper as well. So it's like a little kit. And then this chipboard, it's this beach themed chipboard, also free. And this 6x6 paper pad called Roll With It, it's like a cooking themed from Cartabella, is also free. So if you time it right, you can get quite a few free gifts, like old ones and new ones all at once. And so I just got lucky with a lot of free gifts right there. So I'm kind of excited about it. So I am going to try and use all these items. We'll see how that works. And then Scrapdiva. So Scrapdiva, I bought this, which is an album kit, hibiscus album, but of course you can just make a giant hibiscus, or maybe a card, like a hibiscus shaped card. So I'm excited to play with that. And then a plate that will make a bunch of little mini hibiscus flowers. So I thought that one was kind of fun. You could even layer them. This is a shop die, which I love making shop cards. I haven't made one in a while, but I've got some ideas for some cards, and I need to fool around with this and see how this one works. This is a popcorn box, which I thought was cute. I thought I would make some gift cards and things with that. We'll see. And then this is a tab die, so it will make pages with different tabs. And then from Anna Griffin, actually this is HSN. So HSN, I bought a few things because it was I think I bought this for my birthday. I think I just wanted something. So I'm opening up that package, but I got this one. It makes like a shadow box, and there were two different sizes. I went with this one, and you can make a cool shadow box. They've got all these fancy inlays. You don't have to use it. And then this was such a good deal. I think it was $22-ish, maybe even less. It was a really good deal. It's a whole box of goodies. It comes in this gorgeous box from Anna Griffin. And you get all these darn pieces to decorate your die. And you can see all these different pieces to make things, and the envelopes, and just beautiful gold paper, all of this stuff. But really what I wanted was the die, but all this gorgeous paper. And this is the die. And it makes this cart, this market flower cart. But it's an easel. So you get that piece, you see that odd shaped piece to the right? That's the mechanism that will make your easel card for you. So, I mean, you can make an easel card any way you want, but it's cool to have a little die that can do it. So that means I can just attach that piece to any card and make a easel card just about out of anything. So, but I also liked the flower cart. I thought it was very cute, and I can see that you could put other things in this die, right? And there's pieces that you could also even use for a little shop window with a little hanging little piece that comes with the paper. So I got this. I thought it was a really, really good deal, and I'm excited to make all these different cards and see how I can incorporate things that I have in my collection that I could also use. And you get all these great directions. I believe there might even be a class. I'm going to have to investigate. But anyway, I'm excited about it. I think it's just freaking beautiful and fun. A little fussier than I normally do, but sometimes it's fun just to play around with different things. So I'm very excited about it. It was a great, great deal. I find Anna Griffin to be amazingly beautiful, but a little pricey. So when you can get a good deal, sometimes it's great to just go for it. And all this paper is double-sided. It's gorgeous. I also think it would be fabulous to foil that paper after I've did my foiling class with Pink Fresh Studio. You absolutely can foil on pattern paper. I think you could, that paper is probably great for it. And you can see all the bazillion pieces there. So I'm excited about everything I got. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.